Feeling sluggish? Turns out, a hot environment can actually trigger similar physiological responses as a workout. Today, we'll explore how heat exposure mimics exercise, impacting your body in surprising ways and why understanding this is key for health and performance. When you're hot, your heart rate increases, just like during exercise, to pump blood towards your skin for cooling. This boosts cardiovascular fitness over time, similar to regular cardio workouts. Think of sauna sessions, they're not just relaxing, they're subtly training your heart. Heat also stresses your muscles, leading to protein synthesis, the same process that builds muscle mass after exercise. Interestingly, this muscle protein synthesis is primarily focused on heat shock proteins, protecting cells from damage, rather than pure muscle growth. Did you know prolonged heat exposure can improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body regulate blood sugar? We'll dive deeper into the metabolic benefits of heat adaptation in our next video, exploring how it impacts weight management. So, heat exposure, from a hot bath to a sauna, can improve cardiovascular health, boost muscle protection, and enhance insulin sensitivity, essentially, a low-impact workout for your body. Found this surprising? Give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more science-backed health insights.